Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. CES 2026 breakout tech reveals. Smart robots that fold laundry and rollable laptops are finally here. CES 2026 has officially confirmed one thing. The future is no longer theoretical. It's practical, visual, and ready for your home. This year's Consumer Electronics Show shocked the tech world with AI-powered robots that can fold laundry, clean homes, and assist daily life, alongside rollable and expandable laptops that redefine portable computing. These innovations aren't just concepts anymore, they're close to mass adoption. Shashter, smart home robots, from sci-fi to everyday life. One of the biggest CES 2026 highlights is the rise of AI-driven household robots. Unlike earlier robotic assistants that were limited to vacuuming floors or responding to voice commands, the latest models use advanced machine learning, computer vision, and dexterous robotic arms to perform complex tasks. The most viral demo at CES showed a robot sorting, folding, and stacking laundry autonomously. Using multi-camera vision systems and adaptive grip technology, these robots can recognize different fabric types, detect wrinkles, and adjust folding techniques in real time. This is a massive leap toward fully automated smart homes. These robots are also designed to integrate seamlessly with smart home ecosystems, syncing with voice assistants, smart washers, dryers, and scheduling apps. For busy professionals, seniors, and families, this could eliminate hours of weekly chores, a game changer for daily life. Rollable and expandable laptops, a new era of computing. Another standout innovation at CES 2026 is the arrival of rollable laptops and expandable displays. These devices look like regular laptops at first glance, but with a single gesture or button press, the screen extends vertically or horizontally, increasing screen size by up to 70%. This solves one of the biggest problems in mobile computing: limited screen space. Creators, programmers, traders, and remote workers can now enjoy multitasking on the go without carrying external monitors. Powered by next-generation OLED and micro-LED display technology, these rollable screens offer ultra-high resolution, vivid colors, and improved durability. Manufacturers claim the displays can withstand tens of thousands of roll cycles, making them practical for daily use. AI everywhere. The brain behind CES 2026 tech. Artificial intelligence is the common thread behind every major CES 2026 breakthrough. The robots, laptops, wearables, and even appliances showcased this year rely on-device AI processing, reducing dependence on cloud servers and improving privacy and speed. AI chips are now optimized for real-time learning, meaning devices adapt to user habits over time. Robots learn how you fold clothes, laptops optimize performance based on your workflow, and smart devices anticipate your needs before you ask. This shift toward personalized AI hardware is one of the most important tech trends of 2026. Why CES 2026 tech is different from previous years. What sets CES 2026 apart is real-world readiness. These aren't futuristic prototypes locked behind glass displays. Many of the robots and rollable laptops shown are entering limited commercial production, with broader consumer availability expected within the next 12 to 18 months. Prices are also becoming more realistic. While early versions will be premium products, experts predict rapid cost reduction as AI hardware and flexible displays scale globally. What this means for consumers. CES 2026 proves that technology is shifting from outward-focused gadgets to life-enhancing solutions. Robots that save time, laptops that adapt to your work, and AI that understands context are redefining productivity and convenience. For American consumers, this means less time on chores, more efficient remote work, smarter homes with minimal effort, a glimpse into a fully automated lifestyle. Final thoughts. CES 2026 isn't just another tech showcase, it's a turning point. Smart robots folding laundry and rollable laptops expanding on demand signal the beginning of a... Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.